to this section. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your KDP account. This is an updated video. So you come to your browser. We are going to be using our mobile phone for this. So if you're using your laptop, you log into your Chrome. So you come to your browser and type kdp.amazon.com, and then you click on. Now I want you to do something. If you look up here, you will see this, follow my arrow. Now if your phone is not on desktop side, click on it and put your device on desktop side. So you can see it. This is it. So put your device on desktop side, and then you click on, you're going to see sign up and sign in. So click on the sign up icon because you do not have a KDP account. All right, now when you click on the sign up icon, you're going to see this. So please, I want you to scroll down until you see create your KDP account. Then you click on it. So it's going to bring you up to this page. What you do is you put in your first name. So I'm using a student detail for the purpose of this video. So you put in your name. You put in your name, you put in your email address, you put a strong password. When you're done, you click on create your account. I'm going to do this off camera because for the sake of security purposes. The create your account. Now it might not show you like this. Yours might not be like my own. Yours might not show you this soft puzzle, and your own might show you. See, every phone differs. Now what you're going to do is, they still say we should solve the puzzle. So you're going to drag, you want them to be aligned. That's what that's the purpose. So let's see. Okay, they say is that cone. I got it wrong, so I'm just going to, this is the cone, and then you click on submit. Now you can see it's successful. So they sent an OTP to the email. I'm going to quickly get it. All right, so I've gotten the OTP. So I'm going to click on verify. Now this is the point I want you to take note of. So this place you can see US. I want you to change it to your country code. If you're in Ghana, you pick your country. Cameroon, you pick it. Nigeria, you pick it, whichever country you are. Now you put in the phone number to show you something. Now let's say, for example, your number is 081234. Let me just put it 24681. Now you are not allowed to put in your number like this. Remove the first zero. I'm saying this for the sake of Nigerians. For those in Ghana, Cameroon, your numbers do not start with zero. But I'm saying for the sake of Nigerians, please remove the first zero and work with the rest. So if your number starts with 080 or 090, 07, remove that zero. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on add number. All right, so it has brought me to this place. You can see they sent an OTP to the phone number, and I'm going to quickly get the OTP. All right, so the OTP have been sent. I'm going to quickly get the number, and then you click on create your Amazon account. So now it's going to bring you to this page. Simply click on agree. The truth is, if I tell you to read it now, it will be very boring. So just click on agree. Now I want you to zoom, and you're going to see update now. Look at it here. Because we just created the account, but we need to set it up. We need to complete the creation. So you click on update now. Now it's going to bring you here. This is where we are going to do verification, in the sense that they are going to be sending OTP to your number. So I'm going to pick back Nigeria code again. If I put in the number, I'm going to click on send OTP. you verify the OTP, it's going to bring you to this page. Now what you're going to do is, this place you can see publishers or authors information. You're going to see business type, please click individual. Now your date of birth, I want you to click on this icon here close to it, look at it. Now you click it, you pick your date of birth, so you just drop down this icon. You drop down this icon. So if your date of birth is not here, what you do is you click on this link and it will take you backward. If your date of birth is not at this point, you can click here, it will take you forward. So whichever one your date of birth is. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be using his correct date of birth. So when I'm done, the country, because it's Nigeria, you type in Nigeria. Now you don't just type in Nigeria and move away, you must click it. You can see Nigeria is showing here. Click it, don't just write it and pass, you must click it. Can you see? As you click it, legal name is going to show up. Now your legal name is your real name, so please ignore what you can see on my screen. So I'm just going to put the name. Your legal name is your real name. So the city, I'm going to put city of Jos. State, I'm going to put Plateau State. Then postal code, this is how you find your postal code. You come to a new tab and type postal code in Jos. Now your city postal code in Jos. Now you have to put postal code of your city. Now if you are in Lagos and you're in Lekki, you put postal code in Lekki. If you're in Abuja, whichever place you are, you put that city. Now you can see these are the postal codes in Jos. I can pick anyone because I'm in Jos South. I already know that is this one, so I'm just going to come over. You can pick anyone, please. So I'm going to put 930 105. And now your phone number, you put in your phone number. When you're done, you scroll down and then you click on save. When you're done, you save your work, you click on save. When you're done, you click on save. Now you can check you click on save and save your work. Now this tax information, I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Check it if you want to fill up your tax information, and also how to remove 30% tax. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Until then, I will see you in the next video.